How can you speak so fluently in English? I got this question many times from my viewers and subscribers as well who are trying to improve their English. So, firstly, let's learn what is fluency. Fluency doesn't mean about perfect grammar or speaking long sentences in just one way. It does mean that if you have a flow and if you're not taking any kind of unnecessary pauses whenever you're trying to speak in English, that does mean fluency. If you have a flow to speak in English, then you have a fluency. Okay, now if you don't want to sound like a breathing textbook, sorry for the background noise, if you don't want to speak like a breathing textbook, then let's fix this problem together, okay, in just some seconds, by using 5 simple rules. Now the rule number 1 is ditch the book. Ditch the book means try to use informal words as compared to using formal words. Try to use informal words with your friends. For example, I am experiencing extremely or extreme fatigue. It means I am very tired. Okay, but you can simply say that I am completely wiped out or I am exhausted. So you can say like this as compared to saying a long sentence. I am exhausted or I am wiped out. Okay. Now the second rule is be annoying. Be annoying means speak everywhere. For example, you are doing something or you have your dog, like you have your pet dog, then you can talk to that dog, or you can talk to the coffee machine, or you can talk to the like what you I can say, you can talk to the mug. Okay, whatever you have or wherever you are going or whatever you are doing, try to talk about that in English. This is what, how can you be annoying. Okay, so try to be annoying. For example, right now I'm sitting with these flowers, so I can say that, oh, you are so beautiful, and you are in a little bit white and a little bit pink color, so I like you a lot, and there are many leaves on your branches, and I like these green leaves. I feel greenery by looking at you. So this is how you can be annoying. Try to speak in English whatever you are looking at or whatever you are doing. So this is your second rule. The rule number third is make weird noises. Weird noises means नेटिव स्पीकर्स जो होते हैं वो श्वा साउंड बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. श्वा साउंड होता है साउंड लाइक जो सुबह हम मॉर्निंग में उठते वक्त हमारे मुंह से एक आवाज़ निकलती है, उसको हम श्वा साउंड कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डोंट नो, बट हम कह सकते हैं डोंट नो, दैट्स ऑल. ठीक है, या फिर कह सकते हो this is so like silly, but simply you can say that you, as compared to using a long sentence. Okay, so this is how you can use this rule. Now the rule number 4 is overuse. Rule number 4 is overuse the 3 big words. Now sprinkle these words. The first one is basically, the second one is actually, and the third one is literally. Use these words everywhere in every sentence. For example, basically I'm going to market and I will buy some vegetables. Okay, so मैंने ये sentence बना लिया. उसके आगे मैं कह सकती हूँ actually I got some work so I cannot go to market. Okay, और literally कहाँ पर यूज़ कर सकते हैं? Literally I was shocked. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शॉक हो गई थी सच में. So use these words everywhere, wherever you can. Okay, and use these as much as you can. This will make your conversation natural. The last but not the least, the rule number 5 is spy on yourself. Spying yourself means record yourself. Now what does it mean? It means whenever you are trying to speak in English, try to record yourself. Try to record your video or try to record your audio, and then try to listen your own voice. I know that it's a bit painful to listen your voice, because whenever we listen our voice, we do think that, oh, it's so weird. But if you want to improve your English, you can do this too, and try to catch your mistakes wherever you're making mistakes. Okay, so try to record yourself whenever you're trying to speak in English. And that's all for today. And if you guys have any question for me regarding English, you may ask me in the comments. I will make another video regarding your questions as well. Okay, thanks for today. And if you learned something from this video, then like it, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for today.